Okay, we're exiting the freeway. You're doing 100 and there's your exit lane. Signal right, check the mirror and your right blind spot. Enter the lane and keep the speed up. You do not slow down. Not yet anyway. Cancel your signal. Now at this point, start backing off the gas pedal. Because ahead the speed is what, 60? Okay, so start braking. Start braking, get it down to 60. Into the turn. You're doing 80, get it down. Now get off the gas, get off the brake pedal. Let the car go around the bend at 60. Speed it up a little, you're a little bit too slow. At the lights ahead, it's a right turn. Put the signal on. Use the brake. And a complete stop behind the white line because it's a red light. With the wheels turned to the right. And stop. Stop, it's a red light. You see, focus on stopping, then you can check. Now, is it safe to go?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Turn the wheel. And that's not hand over hand steering. You keep pushing the wheel instead of doing hand over hand. That's not